back to my channel. My name is Tina and today we're going to start a new series. Ailey and her channel's right here. She is a Scottish MUA. Her channel is great. It's full of tutorials and looks and reviews and she does a great job. So please check out her channel. She came up with this idea for doing the 12 looks of Christmas. And I thought it was a great idea. She invited everybody to come along and do it with her. And so if you want to do this too, please do. Today, the first look I'm going to do is going to be like an ice queen type look. It's going to be blues and silvers, hence the blue shirt today. It is freezing cold and frost seemed appropriate for today's look. This is going to be a very Christmassy, sparkly look, appropriate for like a Christmas party or a Christmas Eve party. If you want to see this look, come with me and let's see how it goes. So I've already done my foundation and my primer, so we're going to jump into the look. I don't have enough blues to make this just one palette look, so unfortunately I'm going to be using quite a few different things to try to make this work. So I'm going to use a couple of them from Juvia's Place. The Afrique palette for that blue there. My Lime Crime Bubblegum palette for that blue there. My Smashbox little trio. This is one of their glitter trios for the blue and the base shade. I love this base shade. It goes on so easily. Now I'm going to use a tiny little blending brush and start working with that blue there. And then I'm also going to use the Magic palette and the Too Faced Now and Then palette. And now I'm going to grab Yaya out of the Magic palette. And I'm just going to use the same brush because we're blending those two colors together. And I'm just going to concentrate on the outer V. And I should have done this first, but looking at this, I am going to use a little bit of concealer to just mark out my spot right there. I noticed I was getting a little bit off of it, so this will just make it so it's easier for me to clean up at the end. And now I'm just going to use my finger and go into this bright blue here. Pull that across most of my lid and blend it with my fingers right over here. And now I'm going to use a big, clean, fluffy brush and just blend. I'm going to grab some NYX glitter glue and put that all over the lid, over the top of that light blue and everywhere, because we're going to use a whole bunch of glitter. I'll use some more of the light blue over where it was previously. And now I'm going to use that super glittery blue right here, also on my finger. And we're going to just put that on this outer corner right here of the glitter. Not the outer corner of your lid, just where you want those sparkles to start. You don't want it to just go from one shade to the other super harshly. So now I have my Too Faced Now and Then palette. This is full of amazing glitters. And I have one here called Ice Queen that I thought was perfect for this look and pretty much where I got the name from because it's gorgeous. Again, I'm just using my fingers and bringing that into the inner corner. I'm going to take a smaller blending brush and just blend up along here. And then I'm just going to take a cotton round and get rid of that. And I'm just going to get rid of the glitter and everything, I'm going to do my concealer real quick. So my concealer's done. Now we're going to go back and take some more Yaya. Really carefully line my lower lash line. I'm using these tiny brushes from Luxie. And then I'm going to take that light blue. So now I have my Tarte Eye Jewels. This has got an eyeliner on this side that's silver and a glitter on this side that's silver. And we're just going to line my eyes. So while that's drying down, I'm going to grab my Pretty Vulgar blush and make them blush. And since this eye look is super bold, I just want a nice flushed look. For highlight, I'm using a really icy white highlight. This is the Born to Glow from NYX. So my eyeliner is dried down and I'm going to use the other side for the glitter. And then for the inner corner, I'm going to use the Pacifica Halo Drops. This is in Moonstone. And I have my Tarteist Lash Paint. This mascara is amazing. It is my favorite. I want to add a little more of this blue glitter from Smashbox right in the center of my lower lash line. Just putting it on a tiny little brush. And then I'm going to take some more of the Born to Glow and put that above my brow bone. Okay, so this is a Christmas look. And normally with this very bright blue look, I would probably do a fairly like a pink or a neutral lip. All of a sudden my nose is running. First I'm going to use my Tarte Lip Architect. I'm just going to use the liner side and fill in my lips. And then over the top of it, for the true Christmas look, I'm going to use Smashbox in Crimson. This is a very bright red. So yeah, very bright, very Christmassy, well, wintry Christmassy. The blue is a little bluer than I was thinking. I had a different blue planned for my base shade, but I can't find it anywhere. But I do think this is got that very frosty feel to it. If you don't have all these palettes, don't worry. Just grab some blues that go from light to dark and like to silver, like a silver color, and then blend them together. So I hope this look, which I gotta tell you is not exactly how I envisioned it. Let me know what you think. It's my first one, so hopefully my other ones turn out a little better than this one did. I mean, it's not like, oh my god, terrible, but it's not, I love this so much I'm gonna wear it every day. Not gonna happen. Let me know what you think. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!